Now we're on to September 2015 question 1.2, paper 1. Solve for x and y. Two unknowns require two equations. And usually when you get problems like this, the one equation is simple, a linear equation, and the other one is more complex, quadratic kind of equation, as you can see in this case as well. So let's just number the two equations, 1 and 2, and from 1 in this case, which is a simple equation, the linear equation, we are going to make y the subject of the formula, because if I make x the subject of the formula, I have to divide by 2, working with fractions, that can cause a problem. So let us just make y the subject of the formula. So 2x plus 1 stays on the left-hand side, and we get y on the right-hand side. And we are going to call this equation number 3. And we can write some words here for other people to see what we have done. And so we say from 1. Right. Now we are going to substitute in 2. So x squared minus 3x minus 4 minus 2x plus 1. Oh, and when you substitute, remember to do it in brackets, is equal to, in brackets, 2x plus 1 all squared. Remove the brackets. X squared minus 3x minus 4, and concentrate not to make sign mistakes. Minus 2x minus 1 is equal to, and the square of a binomial ends up always in a 3-term. First one squared, 4x squared, plus the two terms product, x 1 times 2, so it's plus 4x, plus the last one squared. That's the answer to this one. So it's a quadratic equation. Write it in standard notation. So all the x squared are grouped together, we get negative 3x squared. All the x's grouped together, negative 5, and another negative 4, so it's negative 9x. And all the numbers grouped together, negative 5, negative 1 is negative 6, is equal to 0. Now, we are so fortunate that negative 3 is a common factor, so we can divide everything by negative 3, leaving us with a nice quadratic equation. Plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. And it can easily be factorized. X minus plus 2, everything is plus, x plus 1. And from that, we get x is equal to negative 2 or x is equal to negative 1. And we substitute in 3 so that we can work out y. Y is equal to 2 times negative 2 plus 1 is negative 3, or y is equal to 2 times negative 1 plus 1, which is negative 1. So the end result is x is negative 2, y is negative 3, x is negative 1, y is negative 1.